throw it her way. Throw it towards her, honey.
Don't get too close. What does a peacock say? I'm not sure chasing him is probably a good idea.